Hit that subscribe button if you want your boots to fit like Lil Wayne. Pro boot tip. If you want your boots to fit better and hold your foot down a little bit better, what you're going to do is undo that top loop there on that inside liner of your OG snowboard boot. And so the pesky part is getting it through that little tightener thing there. You want to just stick a screwdriver in the top and open it up on both sides and then pull the strings out. It's being a little pesky. Now there, I got it. You just pull the strings all out of there. Take it out of the top two eyelets of the interior lining lace-up system and reverse order, put it back together.
Go, 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 go. Pimps in the crib, man. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. Got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I'm over best cause I got it going on. Find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a bar. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love, so come give me a hug again.
Boom. Now you're back in business. Your boots will fit better, you'll feel better, you'll ride better, and you'll look better.
Pimps in the crib, man. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Now that'll hold your foot down better, hold you back in the pocket. If you want the upper part of your boot tight, just do it on the outside of the boot. Now hit that subscribe button.
I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love, so come give me a hug.